Hello and welcome back to AutoMobilityStore.com's YouTube channel. Today I am presenting the newest lightweight folding scooter by Pride Mobility. It's the iRide 2. The iRide 2 has a weight capacity of up to 250 pounds. This can give you up to 10.3 miles per charge, as well as a maximum speed of up to 5.8 miles per hour. Your total base weight is only 42 pounds. To place your order for the new iRide 2, or if you have any questions, give us a call, 1-800-431-3183, or visit us at AutoMobilityStore.com.